Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video let me show you how to pay off credit card debt using Trim. If you're looking to pay off credit card debt faster, then Trim can help you to develop a smart strategy to tackle those balances and to save on interest. Let me show you how it's done. First, start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account using your credentials. And from the home screen, you're going to tap on the debt or credit card section. This will show you the linked credit cards that you are tracking with Trim. Next, select the credit card that you want to pay off first. Trim will show you your current balance, your interest rate, and the minimum payments due. To pay down the debt, just tap on pay off debt, or you can tap on make a payment. Trim may offer you a few options. These include automatic payments, so where you can set up recurring payments to pay down your balance regularly. There's also debt payoff strategy. Trim can suggest methods like the debt snowball, which is paying off smaller debts first, or the debt avalanche, which is tackling high interest debts first to help you to save money and to pay off your debt more efficiently. Once you've chosen your method, you can either set up automatic transfers from your bank account, or you can make a one-time payment through Trim. Trim will also give you reminders when your due date approach, ensuring that you never miss a payment. And that's it. You're well on your way to paying off your credit card debt with Trim. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to trap upcoming bills in Trim, so stay organized and to avoid late fees. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.